What's up, guys? Yes, I got it. It's a little early. It is the Xbox Series X. Just going to show you a few options. The box, controller, headset, TV, a little bit of everything. But let's get into it. Here's the box that it came in. Sleek, eye-catching design that they have on it. There it is. I'm gonna just open it to look like a mess, but came in there. Pretty straightforward stuff. There's the top of the box. Let's get to the side. A little bit of literature. I'm not gonna go through it, but let me zoom in on this to show you. HDMI 2.1 cable it comes with. That's gonna be hooked up to a 4K TV that could run about 120 hertz. I also am aware that you could use the Xbox Series X on a 1440p with a 2.0 HDMI. So a little note there. If you want to do 1440p, 120 hertz gaming with a 2.0 HDMI, it's definitely doable. There's the back, Master Chief, really nice designing. Once again, a little bit of literature, Game Pass. It's kind of like a thing you should definitely get. Highly recommend it. Bang for your buck. And that is the box. And one thing I really notice with this system, with this console, is it's quiet. It is absolutely quiet. Definitely very sturdy. Built really well. Probably weighs about maybe a good 8 to 13 pounds. It has weight to it. There's the power button. There's the disk drive. That's to pretty much hook up your wireless devices. Nice USB cable. And yes, I did buy my wireless charging for my controllers. Kind of like a must-have if you care about wireless control play. All right, so let's turn this around now. There's kind of like little legs, I guess you could say, if you want to lay it down. I'll lay it down in just a moment to show you guys how it looks like. All right, now here's the back of it. 2 USB devices to hook up, I should say, ports 1 and 2. Extra storage, 1 terabyte that I will be buying probably on launch day on the 10th. There's your HDMI 2.0 cable. It's gonna be about a good 5 foot cable. Anyhow, I do have my Cat 7 Ethernet cable plugged in there. And that's the back. Now let me lay it down for you guys so you can see how it looks. I prefer it to be standing up though, it looks really cool. Sorry for the shot. All right. So there you have it, guys. Here's my controller. And of course you can take that stand off and place it on the bottom if you want to have a little bit of extra support on the bottom. There we go. Now let's talk about the controller. Just real quickly, the best way I could describe these controllers is it feels like a baseball glove that's been already broken in for you. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel like you need to adapt to it. It's super comfortable. And if you look, if my camera could catch it, it has these, you can see that gripping all along the controller on the bottom, and it feels really good. Analog sticks are the same as previous generation, very comfortable controller. I love it. I just bought the Elite controller, if I could find that, and I thought this was comfortable, but this is even more comfortable. And this has that more high-tech kind of like grip all around. But to be honest, if I had to choose between this and that, I'm gonna have to go with this right here in terms of comfortability, just to be quite honest with you. And yes, I am playing on a Sony 65-inch 120 hertz monitor, 4K. Very, very nice monitor, TV, I'm sorry. And I have it synced up to 4K, 120 hertz. But I'm gonna make a separate video on how to hook up your Xbox to your TV if you have one of these. There's a certain way and settings that you have to go through and update to make it compatible. Otherwise, you won't be able to hook it up to play 4K at 120 hertz. These are my headsets. Just got them yesterday. SteelSeries. What are they? X7s? Yeah, X7s. I have the box right here. Specifically made for the Xbox Series X, but you can use it on your PC and I believe your previous generation. You just probably need an adapter. I will be making a video on how to hook it up to your Xbox and also your PC. My PC's over there. But that's the box for that. But anyways, enough of that. Real quickly, I just want to go ahead and show you guys some of the settings that I have. Actually, I'm going to turn off my lights here so it's a little bit more better picturing. Not too much of a glare. All right, so here is your dashboard. Very similar to your previous generation. Very, very snappy going through your menu. Very, very impressed. I downloaded a few games already, so let's see. Apex, Warzone only, Destiny 2, Forza, Gears 5, PUBG, which I'll probably never play, and Rogue Company. Okay, so let's look at my storage capacity of what I have left. That's my storage left based upon these games I've downloaded. Sorry for the background noise, by the way. That is my refrigerator. Anyways, that is 344 gigs left, so I could probably download a few other games. Let's say Cold War and maybe NBA 2K21 and 3 to 4 other games. So you could fit a fairly decent amount of games. And I know that Forza was a pretty... No, I'm sorry, not Forza. It was Warzone that was, I believe, 120 gigs. And that took about 35 minutes to download, 37 minutes to download. Of course, it varies to your internet. But I was very, very impressed with that. Let's go back now. Super snappy. There's your market, Game Pass, information, entertainment, so on and so forth. But what I want to do for you guys is I want to go ahead and jump into a game just to show you real quickly on how it looks. I'm going to launch Gears 5. All right. There we go. Once again, this is my Sony 65-inch 4K 120 hertz. Sorry for the noise again. My refrigerator is a little noisy. Come on, come on, come on. Comment below if you guys are getting your Xbox Series X at launch or PS5 at launch, or which one you prefer. I'm very, very curious because, to be quite honest, I think they're both good consoles. I'm actually getting both. So I will be doing a review on the PS5 soon. All right, let's get into it. It's asking me to sign in. Boom. That picture looks really good. Here's the console. Super quiet. Next games I'm probably gonna do a review on is probably Dirt 5. I'm more of a Forza guy, but I'm gonna dig my toes into that game to see how it is. All right, finally in. I'm gonna go campaign. Let's do that. Creating lobby. Also, I want you guys to perhaps maybe do a comment below on what you guys would like to see. Maybe more of a different game, maybe settings, whatever it is that you want to see. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to make a review video on it. All right, here we go. We're in the game super fast. I mean, I'm a PC guy, and I gotta tell you, I have to tell you, for $500, well, with tax, $550, it can compete with some high-end PCs. I have a 2080 i9 9900K. If you guys know what that is, it's kind of a beast now. But there's the picture. I'm trying to do this one hand. There it is. All right, let's go back. Press the home. Okay, that's it, guys. So, like I said, comment below if you want to see anything, or if there's something that I missed. Let me know what you would like to see. I will be doing a video on my TV, how to make it 120 hertz 4K for your consoles. Also, the new SteelSeries headsets. We'll be doing a review on that. But hope you guys loved, liked, and enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. You guys take care.